Hello dear traders, Asian stock markets were mainly in the black today. The main stock indexes managed to grow significantly. The Nikkei 225 gained 1.83%, while Australia's CPI ASX 200 index climbed by 1.1%. Today, traders are anticipating the results of the FOMC meeting. The regulator will finally announce its key rate decision. Apart from that, speculators also took notice of Japan's macro stats. Let's discuss in detail what happened in the Asian session. The US dollar index slid into the negative zone ahead of the Fed meeting. Earlier, traders expected the watchdog to hike the interest rate by 50 basis points. However, these expectations have drastically changed due to the crisis in Ukraine. Now, analysts are betting on the rate increase by 25 basis points. Jerome Powell's hawkish statements are unlikely to have a big impact on the trajectory of the US dollar. Nevertheless, the greenback maintains a bullish trend. The US dollar may test the weekly low of 97.70 within a downward correction. Analysts rule out a drop below the level of 97.50. The upside level of 100 points remains relevant. The index may break through this level in the coming weeks. The yen halted its decline amid the correction of the greenback. Forex experts were sure that the dollar-yen pair would approach 120 quite soon. It means that they need to revise their forecast. Today, traders are digesting economic data from Japan. Although the economic calendar is not rich in events, there are some crucial releases. For instance, Japan's industrial production shrank by 0.8% in January on a monthly basis. Despite the negative figure, there was some positive shift. The decline in the indicator slowed down. In December, the figure dropped by 1.3%, and that was why economists predicted a 1.3% decrease in January. The dollar-yen pair was trading flat after a beyond rally in the recent sessions. It advanced by only 12 pips. In today's Asian session, it entered the negative territory from time to time, trading below the 118.50 level. After the Fed meeting, the dollar-yen pair may continue the downward movement. In the near future, the price is likely to break through the range of 110.53 and 110.90. After that, an upward reversal is possible. It will largely depend on the sentiment in the stock market. The Aussie also spread wings after a decline in the US dollar. Today, it rose by almost 0.5% in the Asian session. However, this upward movement should not delude traders. The AUD/USD pair is consolidating between the target levels of 0.7166 and 0.7227. If the price falls below yesterday's low of 0.7166, it will open the way to further decline. The Aussie still maintains a downward trend. After the Fed meeting, it may slip below the support level, heading for the target level of 0.7065, a high of June 2020. However, if something unexpected happens, for example, the Fed warns about the risks of economic recovery and changes its interest rate hikes projections, the Aussie may rise to the target level of 0.7315. If so, it may easily approach the range of 0.7415 and 0.7430. However, such a scenario is extremely unlikely. Investors hope that the nuclear deal with Iran will be concluded soon. If it comes true, Iran will pump up oil into the market, which will lower oil prices. This is also bearish for the Australian dollar. And that's all for now. Keep close tabs on market events with the InstaForex TV channel. Feel free to leave feedback and see you soon.